Welcome to a new haircut tutorial. Today we're going to go ahead and do a head shave. The first thing we're going to do is grab our T outliner. You can use any T outliner of your choice. And we're going to go ahead and just shave off all of that bulk hair on the head. And the reason we're doing this is to prepare the skin for our straight razor. Now, a lot of people do go ahead and try to shave it just like that, but if you're new at using a straight razor, you want to go ahead and make sure you clear all the bulk and prepare for your straight razor. You also want to prepare to put a lot of products in the hair. If you don't take down the hair all the way, it's going to be hard to put products to get to the scalp. So you need those products to get to the scalp to basically lift the hair off the head. Make sure it's nice and clean, and go ahead and grab the pre-shave oil of your choice. In this particular case, we're going to grab the Easy Blade shave oil. You're going to go ahead and squirt your shave oil into the palm of your hand, rubbing in circular motions. And what you want to do is basically massage the head, lifting all of the hair on top of the head. As you can see, I'm pulling this hair back. What I'm doing is I'm basically lifting the hair. You want to do the same thing. Use a shave cream of your choice. And you want to do the same exact thing. Now we want to go ahead and rub that in, lifting the hair in circular motions. Now what I did here was apply a nice hot towel. And what this is going to do is basically soften the pores, soften the hair, and get you ready for that head shave, get you ready to use that straight razor. Go ahead and apply a towel on the back of the customer's neck so you can wipe your straight razor off. You want to make sure that you're wiping your straight razor off at all times. So you can go ahead and load your straight razor, take off your hot towel, and you want to start your shave. Now the first thing I'm going to do here is go against the grain. The first thing I'm going to do is go with the grain. So I'm going to follow the way the hair is growing. And then secondly, I'm going to go against the grain. So what you see me doing here is just going with the grain, following the way the hair is growing. And then you basically want to go against the grain. When you go against the grain, what that does is that gives it that baby soft feel. So you're going to take your straight razor, as you can see me here, starting to go against the grain, sideways. Now over here, I'm going with the grain. And you basically want to go against the grain to get that baby soft feel. Now, if you're just starting out and you're just starting to use a straight razor, you see me right here going against the grain. You just want to do it with the grain from the beginning. Now, going against the grain like I'm doing right here is a little harder to learn because the hair does get a lot tougher to do. But we want to make sure that you're pulling that skin at all times. As long as you're doing that, you should be all set. Now, what I'm doing is applying an aftershave tonic. Now, what that's going to do is basically, it's astringent, so it basically closes the pores. You want to go ahead and get those pores nice and tight so the customer does not have any dirt follicles get inside of his hair follicle. You don't want anything like that to happen, guys. And what I'm going to do is even go a step further and apply a cold towel to close those pores even more. When you get that customer out of your chair, any shave that you're giving them, you want to make sure that you close those pores. What I'm going to do here is apply an aftershave lotion, which is going to soften the skin and give it a nice smooth feel. And he's all set, guys. He's nice and prepped. The aftershave tonic closed the pores. We're going to put an aftershave lotion on there, which is going to heal any cuts, scrapes, or wounds. I'm going to go ahead and rub that in. Okay, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Quick tutorial on how to shave a head. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Again, Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.